Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Pinterest video directly on WhatsApp. It's super simple and works on both the mobile app and the browser. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Pinterest and find the video pin you want to share. Once you have it, look for the share icon. It usually looks like a little arrow pointing right. Tap or click on it. Now you'll see a few sharing options pop up. Go ahead and choose WhatsApp. If you're on your phone, it will automatically open WhatsApp and let you choose the contact or group you want to send it to. Just select the person, hit send, and done. Your Pinterest video has been shared. Now, if you're on desktop and you don't see the WhatsApp option directly, here's what you can do instead. Click the share icon, then select Copy Link. Now open WhatsApp Web or the WhatsApp app, paste the link into the chat, and send it. That's all it takes. You can now share any Pinterest video you like with friends and family right through WhatsApp. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next one.